Good morning. It looks like we did get the snow. I don't think we got as much as, well, it's still snowing, but it doesn't look like it's as much as as they said it was gonna be. But it's pretty outside. And I can see people on the road, so I guess it's not too bad, but I'm not going out in that. I think I'm gonna work out at home today since I can't make it to the gym. Gotta keep it going, no excuses. So I think I'm going to just do some cardio, ride my bike. And I may take this sewing down. I'm tired of this hair. I'm ready to go back to my bun. So I may take my sewing out, work out first, take my sewing out, and then just do some other work around the house. But we'll see. I'm feeling kind of lazy, so I don't know. But we'll see. But I am going to work out. I'm going to work out at home, and then we'll see. Okay, workout is done. My mini-me worked out with me for the first time this year. For the first time ever, right?
Yes.
So we did my nephew's glute guide. Is it focusing? Oh, there you go. Mm-hmm. We did this. Very good. Very good. What would you rate it? Intensity? 1 being easy, 10 being hard.
Probably like an 8.
And that was just like one. He has several exercises in here. An 8?
Yeah.
You tired?
Yes.
You feel good?
I feel great.
What you want to tell DJ?
You're a strong guy, man. No, it's not that bad. It's just you gotta get used to it.
It's good though.
Yeah, it's good.
You felt it in your glutes?
Felt it.
So you feel like this guy will build your booty?
Yeah.
Yeah, I do too. It's very good. I can't wait till he comes out with a ab upper body guide, because it's gonna be great. So, do you think you can do more?
Yeah, not today, but in the future.
The future, tomorrow.
Mhm. Yeah.
DJ got it all. He has it all laid out. It's a 6-week. It's an 8-week program. So if you looking to build your butt, you see his body. That's his body right there. So yeah, we're gonna do it again tomorrow.
Mhm.
Ready to make lunch?
You can make lunch.
I can make lunch.
I need to.
Don't you gotta eat too? You gotta get your protein in.
I need to decompress.
We're gonna make lunch, you guys. Come on, let's go. Okay, I am showered. Skincare is done. I just made some lunch. I just made a chicken wrap with cucumbers, tomatoes. Can you guys see? Cucumbers, tomatoes, onions, and tzatziki sauce. I think I'm going to end this vlog here. Just remember, y'all, this is my very first vlog. Bear with me. It's going to get better. It's going to get better. But again, if you like just regular everyday living, fitness, beauty, then subscribe. Talk to you guys later. Good morning. Today is January 6th, the first day of the first Monday of the year. I'm working at home today. I work at home on Mondays and Fridays. Going to office Tuesday through Thursday. Since I'm at home today, I'm just gonna get dressed and throw on some loungewear. I normally just throw on something super comfy and casual unless I have a meeting. If I'm meeting with like a client or something, then of course I'll get cute from the top up and get, you know. But today we're just gonna do loungewear. So yeah, let's get the day started. And we're gonna get this hair out our head. I have a interview on Wednesday, so I want to do like a sleek, clean look, a bun. So I got to get this hair out. So we're gonna do that today as well. Okay, so I put on this Zara set, super comfy. I have a meeting today, like I said, but it's like I could be comfy, casual, so that's why I put this on. I also bought this sensitive skin from Bath and Body. I really, really like it. It has a light scent, very moisturizing. Love it. Okay, let's get our day started. Good morning, you guys. It's Wednesday. I don't think I've talked to you guys since Monday. Yeah, I think it was Monday, but we were snowed in. I wasn't doing anything. You can see I finally got my sewing out. And I did get my nails done, but they okay. I'm about to start doing my own nails because I'm disappointed every time. But anyway, I'm about to go to the gym. Well, I'm off of work today because I had an appointment. So the appointment is done. I'm about to go to the gym. I'm just about to lay my edges down with this. I don't do too much because I'm just gonna sweat, but I still like my edges to be, I look bald head. I like my edges to be pretty laid when I go to the gym. Today, we don't have much going on today. Like I said, I didn't have to work, so I'm pretty much chilling. I have a notary appointment at 5 today. I am a notary. I think if you need extra money or you just want to build your savings or say you got a credit card to pay off, I think becoming a notary is a good little side hustle. So I do have that. I have an appointment at 5 later. I am drinking an Alani Nu before the gym. I normally drink these to get some energy. I think I'm gonna try a pre-workout though. My nephew told me about let me see, I think he sent me a picture. Yeah, so he sent me this pre-workout. So I think I'm gonna try it. I normally don't do pre-workouts because I don't want my heart racing, but I'm gonna try it. So yeah, let's go to the gym. Oh, and I just have on this little Nike pullover and some Nike leggings, Nike Pro leggings. Back from the gym. I done showered, got ready for my notary appointment. I changed into my Miu Miu glasses. I have a bodysuit on from H&M and then just some Aritzia pants. So we're getting ready to go in just a second, but I want to open up this Fashion Over package with you guys. It's a coat that I ordered. Hopefully it's cute. Oh, it's heavy. Okay. This is the coat, you guys. It's cute. Oh yeah, I like this. It's real cute. I wanted the one from Zara, but I couldn't get my hands on it. So Fashion Nova it is, but it's really, really cute. Perfect for this snowy weather in Kansas City. Let me see how much it costs. I don't see the price. Hold on. It says it was $78, but I'm pretty sure I had a coupon code because, you know, Fashion Nova always got a coupon code. I actually never ordered from Fashion Nova unless I got a coupon code. But yeah, that is real cute, real cute. I can't wait to style it. So let's get ready to go to my notary appointment.
I don't know if I'm okay. I don't see the light of day. Looking up to higher ground, thinking that'll be your sweet escape. These days gotta schedule the romance. They say that love is a slow dance. A short bike ride to the crib using no hands. Oh, did it feel like I'm floating? But I'm falling with both eyes closed when I let the world spin. Testing the water, she got my nerves tense. Back when I ain't even have a purpose, I was so eager to learn some things. Anxiety bring out the worst in me. Society paint me as enemy. My making it by that remedy. I'm more occasional, don't do it regularly. Backs under my eyes, weighing down heavily. Mama been worried, the devil allegedly deep in the plan. Subconsciously wanted it since I was 10. I thought I was sharp on my scroll and my pen think it did. So mama found she to them legs. She told me that's not who I am. But nowadays I put on for the fam. See you when I can. I'm surrounded by my feelings.
Okay, you guys, I'm getting ready to go into my signing. It is 5:05, so let's see how long this takes me. So it's 5:23. I actually came out at 5:21. But so it took me 15 minutes. I got paid $90 for this. It took me 15 minutes to get in there, get the signatures, and get back out for $90. So that's why I say, if you want some extra money, or want to take a trip, pay off credit card bills or anything like that, becoming a notary can be lucrative. I am a corporate girly, so I don't get to do it often, or I don't get to take all the signings that do come to my phone, but it can be lucrative if you want to do it for some extra money. You can do just general notary work. You can do, I'm sorry, it's dark, y'all. You can do general notary work. You can become a loan signing agent. You can do remote notary work. You can do fingerprinting. There's a lot of things that you can do as a notary to make money on the side. So $90 for 15 minutes, I'll take it.